Hello, in-law. Good evening, ma. Sorry I'm calling you this late. If it's not emergency, I won't call you. Yes, ma, she has delivered. I just came out from theater now. Yes, ma, there is a small issue. Actually, it's not small because there is pandemonium in the hospital now. Everybody's running around because... Yeah, I wanted to ask, do you people have a history of white people in your family? Maybe your grandfather was from Scotland. No, no, my wife, Omugo, she has given birth. I know Nyocha Omu. Yeah, no, not a fair child. Like Onyoche Oyibo, he gave birth to a white baby, a white child. Ma, what do you mean? Are you sure he's not my child? I'm from Imo State, man. No, I'm not from Scotland.